This is Yati, and again, I'm just in this video, I'm just discussing about the problem, whatever we are tested in the last video, right? So, let me give you the idea about how we can solve this problem. So, first, there is a few steps. You can skip this video if you don't face this issue in your system. This is just for the those who are facing this issue. So, first, we need to check few of the items. Okay, let me give you some idea about you are right now in the uh, so first come out from this folder and now okay, again move to the unit lab. Now just check ls command here, and you need to check for the one of the file, that is the platform file. Is it available or not here? Okay, so you can apply this command ls, or you can apply ls hyphen ld. So the file is not available here, or you can apply ls hyphen l and this hyphen l, or directly you can apply opt unit in the platform. So that file is not available because it's not showing me. So what we have to do here, okay, the problem is due to the data only, because the platform file is not available in the system. So I see in the uh, recent version of BEVNG, I faced this problem in the same problem I faced the multiple times. So what we need to add a file from the our side. So let me show you that file is not available, and we are using the community editions, right? So we just need to apply this command here. Sorry, let's start again. So we need to pass this command here. I will now you can see, let me see the same command. Okay. Now created unit lab. So let me go to the I'm the unit lab only. So let me apply this one, and you can see right now the platform is created here, right? Once the file is available here, we need to apply that command again. Which command I'm talking about? Let me use the up arrow for now, and I'm talking about this command. So let me apply this one. So hopefully it will not give this error this time. So let's wait to finish this one. I hope the error will not come this time. Yeah, the error is not coming. So you can understand, right? This is the problem related to the platform part. And once we added, and it's available. After the completion of this one, we need to apply few more commands to restart the services. So we need to put system ctl restart nginx. Now what is the nginx not there? Okay, let's go Apache 2. Yeah, it's there. So should be okay now. Now what I can do, let me move to the so let me move to the lab and check what exactly there. So this is our image. Let me try to start this image. So now you can see I started the image and it's working, right? So yeah, in this video I want to show you this related to the uh, in this video I want to show you the problem with the image that was not able to restart, right? So you can see after fix the issues on the our PVNG, and that is related to the PHP, right? So we modify or created a file and we are able to do that, right? So thanks for watching.